guys, welcome back to another dazzling poo video. So in today's video I'm gonna share this quick glow makeup routine with this foxy eye look on hooded eyes, and I have also used some new product for the very first time for this makeup. So you will get to know all these things and all these products in this video till the end, so just keep on watching. And now without any further delay, just directly fly to the video. So starting this look with my NYB's gel based primer, because I have done my skincare routine before and I have also shared the video of that skin preparation routine. You can check out my last uploaded video. And after putting my primer, I'm using this HD foundation from PAC, and this is really awesome. This is really awesome. Once you get your matching shade from this foundation, then you can do your light or heavy both kind of makeup using this foundation, and this is very easy to blend and this is give you very nice finishing. So I just love this one. And after that I'm gonna use this Swiss Beauty's concealer, and this is also really nice. So I'm using this concealer for the first time for this kind of look, and after that I'm gonna just blend it, and after blending you will see my reaction that I really liked this concealer. So this is perfect for hiding your dark circles and also fine lines and in budget. So yeah, this is awesome. Loved it. So yeah, after that I'm gonna set this concealer using this compact from Purple, and this is a really good compact because this is in budget and they have given a very good amount of this compact, and this is really very good if you are a beginner. So I'm just setting my this concealer completely with the help of this compact, and after that I am just filling my brows using a palette from Wet n Wild and picked that dark brown shade, and using this small tangled brush, and very nicely I have just done my brows, you can see. And now using the same palette I have picked a very light brown shade for my eyeshadow. So I'm not gonna do some heavy eye makeup this time because I'm keeping it simple as eyeshadow because my main focus is on eyeliner. So yeah, this eyeliner is from Faces Canada. This is a magnetized eyeliner. It has a very sharp tip, so you can draw any kind of liner with the help of this one. And yeah, today I'm gonna do a foxy eyeliner on my hooded eyes, which is quite difficult on hooded eyes because our mostly skin is beneath this hood. So yeah, it's quite tricky. So I'm using this one also for the first time, and मेरा सबसे ज़्यादा time इसी वाले step पे गया था. So yeah.
A few moments later.
So finally done with my eyeliner, and now I'm using this kajal from Nykaa, and I love this one because this is really smudge proof, so you can also wear this in this summer season. And now I'm just blending my lower lash lines kajal using that dark brown shade, and now obviously I'm gonna do a little bit of contouring from this contouring palette from the Purple, and I'm gonna do a very light kind of contouring because I think my face is not that much big. Yeah, so yeah, almost done with my contouring, and now I'm using this brush, so blending all that brown shade from my face. So now here comes my favorite part of any kind of makeup, because I'm gonna use this blush, and this is from K Beauty, and I'm gonna use it for the very first time, and this is in the shade Coral. So now you can see my cheeks are a little bit of kind coral and pink, and I love this one because this is a matte finish blush, and I love blushes which are those are matte. And now I have used a little bit kind of highlighter to highlighting my face, And now I'm gonna use this lippy lipstick from My Glam. This is a lit matte lipstick in the shade Dragon. The shade name is Dragon, but this is a kind of pink shade you can see. So yeah, 90% is done with this look, but my mascara is left because this is also a first time use of this Nykaa curling mascara. So this is the wand, it's also curled. So using this one for the first time without any lashes and without any other tools. And I have shared a full review and demo for checking its curls. So you can watch that video. I will provide the link in I button. So yeah, just go and click. So I hope you enjoyed watching this makeup look. If yes, then just don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also tell me in the comment box how do you like this video, and do you also like all the new products which I have used in this video from the K Beauty and Purple and also from Nykaa, especially this mascara. So now we'll see you in my another video. Till then, bye bye, and of course take care.